CTI has now launched the Day Trading Funded Trader program, which has been designed to allow you to make more money as a funded trader. It's one of our values is that we want to help you achieve freedom. So with this program, there are different rules than the classic and the standard models, but you can actually make a lot more money as a CTI funded trader. So in this video, I'm going to go through some of the rules and some of the guidelines that you must understand for this program, because it is different to the classic and the standard. So make sure that you watch until the end and you go ahead and check out the page where all the information is. I've left the links in the description below, and if you have any questions, you can go ahead and join our Discord community. Now, if you are excited as I am and you love this new program, make sure that you're smashing that like button, you are subscribing to this channel, and share this video with another trader who has not yet heard about this program. So let's get on with the video. Right, so what is the Day Trading Funded Trader program? Let's go straight into it. As you can see, this is the news page for the Day Trading program. Straight away, you can see that we are giving up to 100% profit share. Okay, and I'm gonna go into how you can achieve that. So essentially, this is how you can earn more, but you can also earn more by risking a little bit more. Now you have a 10% fixed stop out. So this is an absolute drawdown of 10% for this day trading FTP, which is the day trading funded program for short. So you've got more risk, you can earn more, and you can pass a lot faster in as little as 20 trading days. And I'll get into how you can actually do that. Right, so you're gonna go through a 2-step qualification. You go through the assessment, then you need to qualify, and then you become a CTI funded trader. These are the 3 steps how you can actually become fully funded with us using this model. Now, here are some of the basic rules and guidelines of the day trading FTP. This information will be on the website. You probably will be watching it on this page anyway, but just to clarify things, you've got a max time limit of 45 days on each of the stages. So you've got 45 days during the assessment right here. So you got 45 days for the assessment and 45 days for the qualification. But you only need to hit a profit target of 10% during the first stage and 5% during the second stage. And you need to have a minimum of 10 active trading days. And if you're not sure what an active trading day is, then you can go ahead and check out this video here, which I'll give you more information as to what it is. Essentially, in this most simple terms, it's the day when you place a trade. So every day that you place a trade, that's an active trading day. That doesn't count holding on to trades as a swing trade. So if you hold on to one trade for 5 days, that still counts as one trade. Your max daily drawdown is 4%. This is very important to understand. If you go above this 4%, you will be automatically disqualified and your funded account will be terminated. We've got multiple scenarios here that you can read and go through. Now, if any of this doesn't make sense, then you can always join our Discord community, which is anywhere on our website. In fact, you can actually join it by scrolling up and clicking on any one of these buttons, join our community, and that will give you access to our Discord community where you can actually ask questions to our support team who are online Monday to Friday, sometimes on the weekends during UK business hours. So you've got here the max absolute drawdown, that's the fixed stop out, which is pretty standard. If you're not sure what that means, again, I've made a video on this, or you can go in here for more information as to what that actually means. So it's a fixed loss from the initial balance on any given day. And so the losses can never exceed 10% loss of the initial account balance. This is the balance and the equity. They must not go down below 10%. So that includes floating trades, open trades. So how do you actually get to 100% profit share? Okay, so the 100% profit share, it goes in stages. So your first 10% is tier 1. So you get up to 70% profit share on your first 10%. After this, it will be 80%. So from tier 2, it will be 80%. Once you qualify for the growth plan, we can increase towards 90% and even tier 2 at 100%, right? So for more details on the tier 1 and tier 2, you can go ahead and open this and it will give you an explanation of what each tier means. Essentially, as you continue to hit your targets of 10%, you can move up a tier. Now, if you have, for example, 10% or more within 4 consecutive months and 2 out of the consecutive 4 months were profitable, then you will qualify for an upgrade to another tier. So then that's how you are able to get a higher profit share. When you show consistency, when you show discipline, when you show good risk management. And this is how CTI rewards those who have these skills and the discipline that we're looking for in Trader. So you have 3 options for the day trading FTP. So you've got the 10K challenge, the 25K challenge, and the 50K challenge. So this is how we initially going to start off. We may introduce more programs where you are able to manage more or even less capital. So we are looking into the 100K. For now, this is the ones that we have. And as you can see, you'll be able to see the prices below. Whichever one you decide to go for, you can go ahead and get funded and go through the payment. So it's pretty much, you click on that, it will take you to a form which you will then be required to complete in as much detail as possible. So in this box, you can see some very important information that you really need to understand. So make sure that you're taking notes and you fully understand the rules, because this is different to the classic and the standard funded trader program. So as you can see, you have 45 days for both the assessment and the qualification phases, and you have 10 minimum active trading days for each of these stages. The max daily drawdown is 4%. So on this 10K account, as you can see, it's $400 that you are allowed to lose in one day. If you lose more than this, your funded account will be terminated, and this includes both the actual balance and the equity. So make sure you're watching out for this. The absolute drawdown is 10%. Again, that includes the balance and the equity for both phases as well. So it's 10% absolute drawdown. These are amazing conditions, as you can see, very competitive compared to other prop firms in the industry. And CTI has constantly proven to always do the best that it can for you, for the funded trader, to make it easier for you to make money as a independent portfolio manager for City Traders Imperium. Now, here are some rules that you need to fully understand. You have to use a stop loss on every single trade. The leverage is up to 1 to 33. You are allowed to trade the news. You can hold trades overnight, but you cannot hold trades over the weekend. So you must close your trades every Friday before the New York close. Okay, this is very important. Otherwise, your account will be terminated. So make sure that you understand this rule, because it's a little bit different than the classic and the standard funded trader program. So you must close your trades on the weekend. This program is tailored for all trading styles, scalpers, day traders, and swing traders, but you're not allowed to hold your swing trades past the weekend. So if you enter a trade on a Tuesday or Monday or Wednesday, you need to close it by Friday, end of the day, okay? So as long as you understand this, that's the most important thing. I know some of you cannot wait to get started on this day trading funded program to add to your portfolio of funded accounts. Now remember, this program is for traders who are disciplined, who are profitable, who understand how to follow the rules. And if you're not yet there, that's okay, because we have educational programs that are there to assist you. And these programs include the STT, the Build Your Edge program, which focuses on mindset and psychology, the corrective strategy, and of course, bank level trading. So if you're looking to develop your psychology or your strategy, we've got you covered. And of course, if the day trading program is not suited for you, we still have our classic funded trader and the standard funded trading programs. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure that you hit that like button. If you want more information, use the links in the description. Good luck with your trading, and I wish you success as a CTI funded trader.